Roblox assets not loading. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix Roblox assets aren't loading properly issue. The first thing you can do is clear local app data. For that, open your search bar and here you want to search run. Now type %local app data % and press enter. Now find the Roblox folder, right-click on it and select delete. Next, you want to clear temporary files. For that, on run, you want to type %temp%, then press Ctrl+A to select all, then right-click and choose delete. Some files might not delete, so just click X to close the window. Now, you can reinstall Roblox. For that, go ahead and uninstall the Roblox app. After that, reinstall it and now your problem will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.